God lets everything happen for a reason. It's all a learning process, and you have to go from one level to another. I don't react to a tragic happening anymore. I took so many bad things as a kid, and some people think I don't care about anything. It's just too hard for me to get emotional. I can't cry no more. I am just like you. I enjoy the forbidden fruits in life too. Hard times fall upon everybody. Whatever it is, we are going to get out of it. There is nothing wrong with making mistakes. Just don't make the same ones. We don't want to duplicate them. Anger is my biggest enemy in life. We all have struggles in life, but we have to continue to fight. When you have something in life that you want to accomplish greatly, you have to be willing to give up your happiness. I have lost all my sensitivity as far as being impressed, being shy. You just have to lose that. If I have to live at the top of the world, I also have to live at the bottom of the occasion. I don't know how to live in the middle of life. Fear is your best friend or your worst enemy. It's like fire. If you can control it, it can cook for you. It can heat your house. If you can't control it, it will burn everything around you and destroy you. Fear is the greatest obstacle to learning. One must never allow fear to develop and build up without having control over it, because if you don't, you won't be able to achieve your objective or save your life. There is nothing to fear but fear itself. It's an illusion of fear. Fear is an illusion. If you gonna die, you gonna die anyway. It's not something to fear. Fear is not gonna help. I am scared every time I go into the ring, but it's how you handle it. What you have to do is plant your feet, bite down on your mouthpiece and say, let's go. Another thing that freaks me out is time. Time is like a book. You have a beginning, a middle and an end. It's just a cycle. Man is not mean to be humble. He is mean to be humbled. Everything that you fight is not your enemy, and everyone who helps you is not your friend. Everybody thinks this is a tough man's sport. Everybody thinks this is a tough man's sport. This is not a tough man's sport. This is a thinking man's sport. A tough man is gonna get hurt real bad in this sport. A man who was friendly with everyone was an enemy to himself. I am in trouble because I am normal and slightly arrogant. A lot of people don't like themselves, and I happen to be totally in love with myself. It's good to know how to read, but it's dangerous to know how to read and not how to interrupt what you are reading. If you don't do it for passion and love, the emotional outcome will be disastrous. The attempt for greatness is the biggest drug in the world. Some people try to get you out of slavery for you to be their slave. Our money is bait money, and bait money is not to be used. Greatness is not guarding yourself from the people. Greatness is being accepted by the people. Real freedom is having anything. I was freer when I did not have a cent. I have the same malice in my heart as far as the fight game is concerned. But outside the ring, I won't say anything a dignified man won't say. Unfortunately, sometimes you can't have fun accomplishing your goal. Sometimes people don't have the determination, the will, the steadfastness, the tenacity They give in under the slightest struggle. I know why they don't like me, because they want the money I have. People are going to say what they say. I know sometimes I say things. I am a dreamer. I have to dream and reach for the stars. And if I miss a star, then I grab a handful of clouds. Coyle said the worst thing that happened to him was that he never trusted his own judgment. I said from now on I am going to go with my own judgment. You stand your ground and you perform your art. That's what the artist does. The artist is about perfection. That equals to being a fool, having fame and no fortune. A lot of guys out there have fame doing this and doing that, but they are broke.